Hey planner fam, welcome back to Best Laid Plans. This week's video is a plan with me for the week of the 23rd through the 29th. So this is going to be up on Wednesday the 25th. I am super busy this week. We have a lot of stuff going on at work, and then I just have meetings, and end of January is always kind of busy. So it's also sort of the last, in my opinion, for where I am, like season before like we get really out of like the winter stickers into like the floral Valentine's Day, like softer, more like warm hued florals and things like that. So I thought, since it is flurrying outside currently, it might be a good idea to do my first Frozen theme spread. And I have some Frozen stickers I've been saving for a while. I got these from Amazon a while back. I don't even remember if the seller's still there, but just some basic Disney art stickers, and I just think they're beautiful, and I haven't had a chance to use them. And I thought, well, last week in January seems like a good week to do that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So it's going to be a weekly spread, and I'll speed up during like before the pins, some of the parts where like I'm laying down stickers and washing and stuff as usual, but I might have a little more like chatty style for the rest, and we'll see if you guys like that or not. Let me know in the comments when you're done with the video, if so. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have selected a couple things. I do have winter blooms. This is from LiveLovePosh. And I have my pen. I, of course, had to use the Elsa pen from, I believe this is the Elsa pen, from Be Beautiful. And I will be working from a kit today for part of this, just to make my life easier mostly, but I thought that this was perfect because it even says Frozen on it. This is the Winter Bouquet from Funky Plans, and it has just pretty much everything I'm going to need for this week. Plenty of boxes for meetings, and I love that she has some washi and stuff with this, and it's just really beautiful. Look at that box, so gorgeous. So we're going to be using these stickers, and in tandem with the Frozen ones. And then I did pull just a couple of Simply Gilded washi, which I may or may not use both of. This one here has, I'm not sure about, I haven't opened it yet. It does have a little more of a like hollow effect. So it would match this washi. And I like how it's dark and it has kind of like teals and blues in it. So I will probably use this for something, but yeah, this is pretty new. I haven't used it yet. That's one of her Inky Stardust ones. So that's what I have, and I really am not really sure what I'm going to do first. So I think what I plan to do is just kind of start thinking about what's going on during the week. So I'm actually going to get some sticky notes out, and I'm gonna start that way. Sometimes I have a lot going on, and if you've seen my get ready for a planner meetup with me video, which I'll leave a card here for, you'll know that I love to use sticky notes when I am, trying to remember everything that's going on in a really busy month. And this month happens to be, like this week, very, very busy. So let's pull out some sticky notes, and that is going to help us out. Okay, I am back. I just kind of tore these larger post-it notes that I had on my desk in half to do this. I didn't need the full size post-it note for it. So basically I have a Zoom meeting on Monday, a Zoom meeting on Tuesday, a Zoom meeting Wednesday morning, a webinar in the afternoon, another webinar Thursday afternoon, and then Friday I have the first run of building the spring 2024 schedule, because we work a year in advance when we do schedule building for the university. So yep, that's that's what's going on. It's a pretty packed week. I have some things going on the weekend for like family stuff, but it's not something where it needs to be a big block on the schedule like these. These are like the most important things that are going on. So I have all those written down. Oh, by the way, this I believe is actually the Elsa pen because it's got like the snowflakes and stuff. I picked out the wrong pen, but still beautiful. So that's the Elsa pen. So I'm ready to get started now that I've done that. I can kind of see that I'm gonna have a little more room on the weekend. I also have some room here and like potentially on like Monday for more decoration. And then I'm gonna need to have these call outs with larger deco boxes and things on these days. That also means I'm probably going to be moving my like big time like chores that need to be done probably to Tuesday. That's what I did this past week. I ended up doing like all of my things I usually do on Wednesday on Tuesday. So like I just didn't have to worry about it when all of that stuff was happening. So I think we are ready to go, and I'm gonna start by putting down my boxes where I want those. I want to start with this frozen box on the weekend. It is so pretty, and I think I am going to put it here. I'm just leaving a little bit of room for washi and other decoration if I need to. Gorgeous colors. So I've got my Zoom meeting on the 23rd, and this is legitimately just how I do this. Is now that I know where these callouts are, I'm going to go ahead and put those there, and I can then put all the decoration around that. So I wanted to stop laying stickers now just to kind of show you where we are. I have boxes on the important meetings. I also have my checklist to write on. I have some stuff for the weekend. And now is where we kind of get to have fun with washi and stickers. I think because I want, again, like a layered effect, I'm going to do the blooms before I do the washi tape. So let me just kind of flip through this casually, and I'm sure we'll find something that matches really well. There are a lot of options in this. So it looks like this is going to match super well. So I'm going to start decorating with stickers from these pages. And let's see. Yep. 2 sheets of the same. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lay these down next. So there we have the stickers from LiveLovePosh. I went ahead and I cut this sticker in half, and I used the other half over here to kind of make it look like a continuous forestscape. And I think that's really, really cute. I do think that I want to use this pretty like Christmas Village washi because it's gonna look so pretty. And I think I want to run it along the bottom here. I don't think I'm going to use this time, but I definitely want to use this in a future spread, so I think I'm going to hold on to it. I have an idea for a February opera spread. I would really, really like to do Ariadne of Naxos. It's one of my favorite, like, just comic Strauss operas. It makes me so happy. And it's just a beautiful story of like love and redemption, and it has powerful female voices in it, and I just absolutely love it. So I think that I'm going to save this, and I have want to save that. We'll use that for the February monthly. So if you're waiting for an opera spread that will be coming soon, I'm just gonna keep this washi in mind. So let's go ahead and put down this washi. I love this frozen village. I think it was just the right amount of extra decoration at the bottom, and I had to lift up this sticker, this little border sticker a little bit and put it back down, but other than that, seamless, and I can already kind of see it coming together. It makes me really happy. Let's now go back to the kit, and I want to add some more decorative stickers. So right here, let's add this one. So there are all our main like boxes and decorative stickers, and so you can already see that the spread's filling up. So that is good. I saw some deco on the washi sheet page, and I do want to use the washi sheets. I'm going to use those at the very, very top. But there was this pretty blue rose one. I want to put that right here. And then on the webinar days, I think I'm going to have this right here. All right, so I added my habit tracker. I do that for exercise, and this week on top of it over here. So that kind of cluster is done. And now I do want to go in with the washi that came from this kit on the top part. So let's do that next. It's going to be this washi here. I'm going to try to wrap up the rest of the sticker placement because my puppy dogs are wrestling and playing in the hall outside my office and having a very loud, happy time. So I don't want to have too much of that audio on. I apologize. But I did decide to use both sets of the washi here to kind of frame everything in, and I love how this looks and how well the kit and the other stickers go together. Now it is time for our frozen stickers, and I need to decide if I'm going to use all of them or just a few of them. I really like this one of Anna, and I feel like it goes really well with everything. And then this one here of Elsa. Just kind of figuring out where I want to put stuff before I set it down. Isn't this pretty? I think that will go really well over here. And then I might add another floral sticker here. Okay, that sticker did not pick up well on this paper, so I'm just gonna add another one here, kind of coming up. Group the flowers together a little bit. And I'll cut this one. And I'm just gonna save that, and I can use that corner in another spread. So now let me see. Yep, I think that is going to be the sticker placement. So I'm going to go ahead and place these stickers down and then do a little bit of an after the pen for things that I already know about, and we'll see the final spread. I thought about it and I decided, because I have Frozen here, I was going to cover up the Frozen and show the pretty snowflake instead on the weekend banner here. I just think that is gorgeous art, so I wanted to highlight that. But now we have a full before the pen decorated spread, and I think it looks great. So I'm just going to fill in a couple things. I'm gonna leave the to-do list sort of blank, as I'm gonna probably be filling those in during the week as things come up, and I'm just going to fill in the major boxes that have like specific things and line items on them. So I'm gonna grab my handy dandy Elsa pen and we will start. Okay, so that is pretty much everything. The only thing that I don't have written in yet is that I usually have a spot where I record my reading for the week, and I will probably do that here. I might have, I don't know how much reading I'm going to get to, so that's why I haven't committed to that this particular week, but I'm really hoping to finish the book that I started. I am reading A Court of Roses and Thorns by Sarah Maas. If I got that title wrong, I sincerely apologize. Thank you, plane, for flying overhead when I'm recording. But I think that that's really it. That's everything that I wanted to include. And then this is the first like free weekend that I'm gonna have. I have so much going on. Yeah, that's everything. I'll finish like writing in the rest of this as the days unfold, and I figure out more of the things that need to be happening. But this is my last week in January spread featuring Disney's Frozen. I hope you all enjoyed this video. You know, I love me some Disney and florals, and this kit from Funky Plans was just begging for a Frozen spread, and I'm so happy that I got to combine all these beautiful stickers and washi. I will, as usual, leave all of what I'm using in the description box so that you can check that out and support any small shops that I featured. I will be back next week with a new spread for February next month. Super excited about that. So please subscribe, like, comment below, and I will catch you next Wednesday. Bye!